Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dogg and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make restaurant affordable quality meals in your own home, from my home to yours. So guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, on the chopping block we got chicken, and this is a rotisserie chicken right here that I got from Walmart. So what I did was, because it was hot, I put it in the refrigerator and pretty much just let it cool down or whatever. With this chicken, we're going to be making you the best ever buffalo bacon chicken dip. Alright, that's the rotisserie chicken. Alright, you're going to need some mozzarella. You're going to need some Colby cheese, mozzarella cheese, and some bacon pieces. You can cook it on your own if you want to, but I'm just going to use these right here. I got that from Walmart too. And here's some buffalo sauce, and here's some queso blanco cheese, and here's a Philly cheese steak. I said Philly cheese steak. Here's some Philadelphia cream cheese, and you're gonna need some ranch seasoning, or you can just buy some ranch if you want to, but I'm going to go ahead and make mine up. Here's the sour cream right here. You're going to need some chips right here. Alright? So, and I'm going to shred my cheese up, so that's why I have this right here. And here's some Parmesan and Romano right here. I'm going to use that also. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and get this stuff set up, peel the skin off and shred the meat up, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. Now what I did here, I shredded up the chicken, and I put a half a teaspoon of granulated onion, and a half a teaspoon of granulated garlic, and a half a teaspoon of lemon pepper. Right there, I just want to mix that up. And here, it's not necessarily that you have to do that, but I just want to do it, give the chicken some extra flavor. We're going to come with our hot sauce, buffalo sauce. It should be like a cup. Cup of that. Mix that up. That. Put your little cayenne pepper if you want a little bit hotter. Just put a little bit in there, probably half a teaspoon of that. Okay. We'll come with our cream cheese. Put the whole thing of that in there. While that's in there, we're going to do a cup of this sour cream. Like that. And we're going to go with our seasoning. Ranch seasoning. So we're going to do a tablespoon of that. And while we at it, we'll go ahead and add our cheeses. Queso blanco. Just put that in there. Like really soft. I'm gonna take us some of this Colby. This is like a cup. We're gonna put like a half a cup of that in there because we're gonna top it off with some of our dishes. So that's it of that. Cup of mozzarella I shredded up. And just for flavor, we're just gonna go ahead and sprinkle a teaspoon of this granulated Parmesan and Romano. Okay, now let's mix that up. guys, we got this all mixed up. I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit for about 2 minutes. Just for all the seasonings to get into the meat. Then we're gonna take these ceramic, the same ones that we put the cheese in. We're gonna butter them up, put some olive oil in it so it won't stick too bad. That's good. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Just gonna butter these up. Just gonna put that in these little dishes. Like this. Almost like you get your own individual one. You can make this dish for game day, basketball season, just about any occasion, just make it for GP. Guaranteed to be a winner for you. All right. Just take you some okay, good. Watch that. All right. Now I'm gonna take some of this COLBY, put some of that in there. Just like that, y'all. Mozzarella. Bacon. Bad boy on top. 350. That's what we're gonna cook it on. That's what we're gonna cook it on. Okay guys, let me show you close up. That's what we got. On the cooking sheet. About 15 minutes in that oven, 15 to 20 minutes, and we should be done. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. Just wanted to show you guys, put it on the tray, and I wanted to cook nice and slow, so I don't want to burn this on the top. So I'm gonna put a sheet of foil on top of it, just like so. All right. If you wanted to, you can get you another dish, put like some water at the bottom, cook it even slower. We want this to be melted evenly all the way through. Alright? So, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. I'm done with the dish. There it is, the best ever buffalo bacon chicken dip. And it tastes good. I already tried mine. So you can just go in. I ain't gonna mess with that one because it's my thumbnail. But you can just go in there, get you some, let you guys get that first bite. And I am diligently working on getting another camera for I can show you guys how it truly looks. Oh my goodness. Winner, chicken dinner, all day long. I know I gotta wrap this up real quick. This stuff tastes real good, y'all. Real good. So please give me a like, a share, comment, and tell all your friends and family to tune in to Dogg Kitchen, where we be making together restaurant quality foods, or better. And make sure you please hit that bell, y'all. Hit the bell. Hit that bell so I can know who you are and show you the love that you deserve. But until next time, I'll see you guys in Dogg Kitchen. Dogg signing out in a minute.